What if I told you most small businesses are leaving thousands of dollars on the table every single month just because they're using digital marketing the wrong way? Today, I'm going to walk you through the simplest digital marketing system you can use to consistently bring in customers, even if you're starting from zero, don't have a team, and feel completely overwhelmed by all the strategies out there. And the best part? This method works even in crowded niches, but almost no one's using it correctly. Hey, I'm Louise. A few years back, I was trying to grow my business online. And honestly, nothing was clicking. I was posting nonstop, testing random hacks, boosting posts that went absolutely nowhere. And at one point, I really wondered if digital marketing just wasn't for me. Then I found a simple, structured way to attract the right people instead of chasing everyone. And once I started using it, everything changed. My traffic became consistent, my offers finally started converting, and I stopped feeling like I was guessing every day. There's so much confusing advice out there. So in this video, I want to break down what actually works, without the overwhelm. All right, so now that you're here, let's break digital marketing down into a simple, clear path you can actually follow, without all the chaos. We're going to do this in 4 steps. Stick with me, because each step builds on the next. Step 1, what digital marketing really is. Before we jump into tools or tactics, we've really got to get clear on what digital marketing actually is. Because a lot of people hear the phrase and immediately think of things like Google Ads, Instagram posts, SEO, email funnels, all the buzzwords. But digital marketing, at its core, is a lot simpler. Digital marketing is just marketing that happens through digital channels, like Google, YouTube, social media, email, websites, apps, and even the ads you see inside other platforms. Basically, if it happens online, it falls under digital marketing. Anything online counts. Search, social, display ads, email, video, the whole thing. Now here's why it matters so much today. People don't flip through magazines anymore to find reviews. They don't drive around looking for businesses. They don't wait for commercials on TV. They search online first, before they buy anything. And when billions of people are online every single day, digital marketing gives you access to audiences you could never reach through traditional media. But beyond the reach, there are some major advantages that are really emphasized. Advantage number 1, you can target the exact people you want. Unlike a billboard or a magazine ad that tries to reach everyone, digital marketing lets you get laser focused. You can show your message only to the people who are most likely to buy, by their interests, behaviors, needs, and even the exact words they type into Google. Advantage number 2, it's way more cost-effective. Running ads to a general audience, like a newspaper or TV spot, is insanely expensive. And most of those people aren't even your ideal customer. Digital marketing lets you spend smarter, not bigger, because you're paying to reach only the right people. Advantage number 3, you get immediate feedback. This one is huge. In traditional marketing, you might wait weeks or even months before you know if something worked. With digital marketing, you can put an ad online in minutes and see results the same day. To put it perfectly, immediate feedback, immediate correction, immediate results. That means you can test ideas quickly, make small adjustments, and keep improving. No guessing, no waiting, no hoping a magazine issue performs. Advantage number 4, everything is measurable. Digital marketing leaves a trail. You can track clicks, views, conversions, costs, behavior, all of it in real time. That means you can figure out what's working and what's wasting your money. Traditional marketing can't do that. There's no click-through rate on a billboard. And this leads us to the real underlying point. Digital marketing only works when you understand the fundamentals of marketing itself. It talks a lot about this: consumer psychology, buyer behavior, and strategic thinking. If you understand why people buy, you can apply that understanding to any platform: Instagram, Google, YouTube, email, whatever, and even to future platforms that don't exist yet. That's why you can't just chase the latest hack or tactic. Digital marketing becomes simple, and honestly, a lot more fun, when you understand the deeper strategy behind it. And with that foundation in place, we can move into step 2, where we break down the core 4 framework, the actual strategic backbone that makes everything in digital marketing work. Step 2, the core digital marketing framework. Now let's dig into something that almost every beginner skips. And honestly, it's the reason most people feel lost with digital marketing. In this space, strategy beats tactics every single time. You can know how to run Google Ads or post on Instagram, but if the strategy underneath isn't solid, none of it works. And this entire strategy is built on what I like to call the core four framework: model, market, message, and media. These four pieces are really the foundation of what's known as the hub and spoke model. So let's break each one down in a way that actually makes sense. 1. Model. What are you actually offering? Your model is your business, your offer. How you package what you sell, how you price it, and how you deliver it. This is described as building something that's profitable, in demand, and something you'll actually enjoy running. Because nothing ruins a business faster than designing an offer you secretly hate. So before any marketing happens, you need absolute clarity on what you're selling and why it matters. 2. Market. Who are you serving? This is your audience, but not everyone. What is extremely clear? Be laser focused. The people who will get the best results from your offer, the people you most enjoy serving, and the people who are most likely to actually buy. This is your ideal customer avatar, their demographics, their location, but more importantly, their pains, goals, frustrations, and desires. If you don't know these, your marketing won't land. 3. Message. Why should they care? Your message is how you communicate your value to that specific audience. It's answering one key question. What problem do they have, and how does your offer solve it better than anything else? This emphasizes how much this connects to consumer psychology, behavior, motivation, and why people make decisions. The right message speaks to those deeper triggers, not just surface-level features. 4. Media. Where do you show up? Media is the platform. Google, YouTube, Instagram, email, whatever. This is the last step for a reason. There's a whole breakdown of why beginners get stuck here. They jump straight into tactics. Should I run ads? Should I post content? Should I learn SEO? Without doing the strategy work that makes those channels actually perform. But once you know your model, market, and message, choosing the right platform becomes obvious because you'll pick the one where your audience already spends their time. So yes, you really do need all four, because when they're aligned, your marketing becomes predictable and effective. Skip one, and everything gets harder than it needs to be. And the cool part? Once your core four is dialed in, all the tactics, SEO, paid ads, content, email, finally start working the way they're supposed to. All right, now that we've covered the strategy, let's move into the next step and talk about why mastering one digital marketing channel first is the fastest way to get real results. Step 3. Master one channel first. All right, let's get into one of the biggest game changers in the entire digital marketing world, and also one of the biggest mistakes beginners make. Most people try to learn everything at once: SEO, social media, email marketing, Google Ads, YouTube, analytics, funnels. And honestly, it's way too much for anyone starting out. The exact point is, digital marketing is incredibly broad. There are tons of specialties, platforms, and sub-skills. So many that trying to do all of them at the same time is basically a guaranteed path to overwhelm. Instead, the fastest way to build real skill and real confidence is to choose one single channel and master it first, just one. And here's why this works so well. Reason number 1. Every digital marketing channel goes deep. Each channel has layers. For example, social media breaks down into Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and each of those break down even further into ads, organic content, reels, short-form strategy, group marketing, and so on. This explains how deep these subskills go and why most people underestimate the complexity inside each channel. So trying to learn 5 channels at once means you never truly understand any of them. Reason number 2. Specialists get better results, and faster. Your training material explains that people who niche down early often build credibility and confidence faster because they're focusing their time and effort in one direction instead of spreading themselves thin. This makes it easier to stand out, build a reputation, and actually see measurable progress. Whether you want to become a generalist later or expand into new areas, the fastest first step is building depth in one place. Reason number 3. Skill transfer becomes easier. Another big point is that many digital marketing skills are transferable. For example, SEO pairs naturally with content marketing. SEO skills also complement search ads. Once you understand one area deeply, expanding into related areas becomes almost effortless because you already understand the strategic foundations behind them. So the key is master one channel first, then expand strategically. Now the question becomes, which channel should you choose? And here is a great roadmap. If you want fast results, start with a paid channel like Google Ads. People searching on Google have buying intent. They already want a solution, so you're catching them at the perfect moment. If you want long-term compounding growth, go with SEO or content marketing. These take time, but once they start working, they continue generating traffic with less effort. If you want to build a personal brand or audience quickly, choose social media marketing. Social media is where attention happens today, and it's a powerful place to build connections, community, and demand. And here's something many beginners don't realize. Your ability to choose the right channel skyrockets when you truly understand your core four from the previous step. Once you know who your audience is and what they care about, the platform they use becomes obvious. Building your first channel focus plan. Here's a simple sequence beginners can follow. Learn the basics of marketing and consumer psychology. Build a simple website or landing page. Choose one platform to go deep on. Practice intentionally. Learn, then implement. Then, and only then, expand into complementary areas. This is exactly how experienced digital marketers grow. Intentional learning, followed by intentional doing. And here's the last thing I want to highlight from your training. Even seasoned marketers keep learning. They don't try to master 10 channels at once. They choose a lane, build expertise, and gradually expand into areas where the skills naturally overlap. So if you've been feeling overwhelmed, spread thin, or unsure where to start, this is your reset moment. Pick one channel, go deep, and trust the process. It's the fastest way to get real results. Step 4. The 3 traffic types: search, discovery, and email. To make digital marketing work, you've got to use the right tool for the right job. There are 3 main traffic types. 1. Search traffic, Google and YouTube. These people come with intent. They want a solution right now. That's why SEO and Google Ads work so well. You show up at the exact moment they need you. 2. Discovery traffic, social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. People here aren't searching, they're scrolling. Your job? Grab their attention, spark curiosity, and lead them toward your offer. 3. Email marketing, your owned audience. Email is still one of the most profitable channels. No algorithms, no limits. Once people trust you, email lets you stay connected and drive consistent sales. Let me ask you something. Have you ever relied on just one platform and then it suddenly stopped performing? That's why you need a mix. Each channel supports the others. And here's something almost nobody talks about. You don't have to be everywhere. You just need to be where your audience already is. In a moment, I'll show you how all these pieces fit together so you can build a real digital marketing system, even if you're starting from scratch. So now you've got the roadmap. Learn the basics, build your first simple website, master one channel, add the next one strategically, combine content, paid ads, and email to build your ecosystem. You now understand the core building blocks of digital marketing and how to avoid the most common beginner mistakes. If this helped you out and you want more videos like it, go ahead and subscribe for more simple, clear digital marketing breakdowns.